and today I'm going to be doing a swatch video slash real quick makeup look using the California Love palette by Colourpop. So I already have my whole face done pretty much except for my eyes, except I do have some highlighter on my lid, and the highlighter that is on my lid is the Artist Couture Jackie Aina LeBronze. We're just going to build on that with this palette. Figured I'd just come on here and talk to y'all. I don't know what I'm talking to y'all about, but yeah. First, I'm just going to go into the palette with the shade Gold Rush, which is right here. And I'm just going to layer that on as a transition color and see where we go. I guess I kind of use the highlighter as a transition color, but I don't really go by makeup rules per se when I do my makeup. I just kind of go with it and do what I think is cute. And then if I don't think it's cute, then I'll go back and fix it. Hopefully my eyebrows look okay because I was laying down before I came in here, but I'll fix them later. So I'm going to go in with the shade Gold Rush, which is right here, and let's see what happens. I don't know. I guess I'm not talented enough to like talk while doing this, so I might suck. And then I had my lashes done yesterday, individual lashes at the nail shop. So these babies ain't coming off. I'm just washing this color on. This is really just what I do on a regular basis. I didn't really plan on filming a tutorial video or anything like that, but if I ever want to do an eye look, I'm really not that strategic with it unless I have something specific in mind, or if I am playing around or testing out new creative things. But when I'm just trying to do my eyes, I just kind of layer on colors that are similar or that I think will go really good together, and then I kind of just move from there. So first I put on the highlighter, kind of like in the inner of my lid, the inner portion of my lid, and my nose. You can see it real bright. I'm going to tone that down in a little bit, but just rubbing this in my crease. It's a really pretty color. Gold Rush is a winner, guys. It's a winner. You know what? This could be a really good all over lid color for work. I am loving the way that actually came out. Well, I am gonna now go in with the shade Diego, and I'm gonna use this little, no, I don't have a good brush selection in front of me, but I'm gonna work with what I got because that's what I normally do. I'm really not that specific, guys. I have this BH Cosmetics brush, very small pencil brush type thing, and I'm just gonna take it right here to bring that highlighter a little brighter. See, this look is going sunset real quick, and I'm just gonna wash that over. I'm gonna have to deepen up my crease because I feel like that just needs to happen. I don't want to do too much because I have these lashes on, and these lashes are not coming off, so can't overdo it because I have to be able to wash it off. The struggle is real. But as you can see, I am definitely glowing, guys. Definitely glowing. Now I'm going to go back in my crease with the same brush. And I'm going to use the shade Mission because the shade Mission is a little bit deeper, and it's right here. It's actually the deepest shade in here, and it's more cool tone. It's a brown, in case you were wondering. A black probably would have been perfect for right here. And you know what? I think I actually want to go in with that super glittery shade right here called Captain, El Captain, or El Capitan. And I think I'm going to layer another layer somewhere in this eye look of glitter because that just seems right. It really does, guys. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this Luxie large shader brush, and I'm going to get some of this El Captain shade. Ooh, Surf Rider is really cute too, but I'm just going to pat that right here and see if that gives us a couple flecks of a different shade of gold. Ooh, that's real nice. Is that a glitter? Oh, I think this is the glitter, guys. This is going to mess up my lashes. No? Okay, we're just gonna stop. We're gonna stop there. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's all that I'm gonna do to them. My eyebrows are probably not great right now, so we're gonna pop out this little Colourpop pencil and we're gonna fix them. Oh wait, I have my brow wiz, so we'll fix it with my brow wiz. They're probably fine. Or they're probably fine on camera, but just sucky in real life, which sucks. Now, while I feel like that was way too quick, it was probably way too long knowing me, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and on to the swatches. Alright, so I did go ahead and pick up the California Love palette, even though I didn't think I would like it, but I think I really do like it so far. But of course, this is just a first impression and swatch video. So you got to see a little bit of how it works by using it. Now let me go ahead and show you the shades and what they are looking like. Okay, the first shade is going to be the shade Diego. The next shade is Gnarly. The next shade is Sequoia. The next shade is Gold Rush. The next shade is Highway 1. The next shade is Laguna. El Capitan. Surf Rider. Cahuenga. Mission. Cruisin'. And The Bay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you prefer to see like a look and swatches or just the swatches so that they're real quick. I'll probably do a mixture of both, but let me know which one you prefer. Let me know if you picked up this palette or if you plan on picking it up. It's only 18 bucks, so it's definitely well worth your bucks. Bye, guys.